Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with aliases and the model registry. So in the previous video, I said that we cannot attach the same alias to multiple versions. So let me show you this in the UI. Here I have this model, random forest classifier, and a single version, version 1. And here we have like three aliases, candidate, champion, and development. Now, I cannot have like multiple versions being the champion. For example, let's say that I want to create a new version. In that case, I'm going to run this code that you can see here and provide the name of the model in this parameter, and MLflow will automatically create a new version for this model because it's already there. So let me go back to the notebook, the UI, sorry. And here we should be able to see a new version, version 2. Now let's say that I want this version to be the champion. I'm going to run this code, set registered model alias, and say that the version 2 is the champion. So if I run this and go to the UI, here you can see that now champion is attached to the version 2, right? So MLflow automatically moved the alias from the version 1 to the version 2. And that's the idea, because aliases are meant to are attached to the model. So in this way, you can organize the multiple versions that you have under your model. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.